The NIKKOR Z600mm f6.3 VRS is a super telephoto prime lens for Nikon's Z-mount mirrorless cameras. With its impressive reach and surprisingly compact size, it's an intriguing option for wildlife photographers, birders, and travel enthusiasts seeking to capture distant subjects. Let's dive into the details and see if this lens lives up to the hype. Unboxing the beast. First impressions matter, and the Z600mm does not disappoint. It arrives in a sleek, protective case that screams premium quality. The lens itself is surprisingly lightweight for its reach, tipping the scales at just 2.3 kilograms, 5.1 pounds. This is a significant advantage over traditional super-telephoto lenses, making it much easier to handle for extended periods, especially during outdoor excursions. Sharper than a hawk's eye. Optically, the Z600mm packs a punch. Nikon's latest S-line glass and advanced coatings deliver exceptional sharpness and clarity across the entire image frame. Whether you're capturing a majestic eagle soaring high above or the intricate details of a hidden rainforest creature, this lens renders subjects with stunning precision. Steady as a rock. One of the standout features of the Z600mm is its built-in vibration reduction (VR) system. Nikon claims up to 5 stops of shake compensation, and in real-world tests, it lives up to the hype. Hand-holding the lens at slower shutter speeds is a breeze, allowing you to capture crisp images even in low light conditions. This is a game-changer for birders and wildlife photographers who often operate in unpredictable lighting situations. Travel-friendly telephoto. The compact size and relatively lightweight construction of the Z600mm make it a dream come true for travel photographers. Gone are the days of lugging around behemoth lenses that weigh you down on your adventures. This lens allows you to capture breathtaking wildlife encounters or distant landmarks without sacrificing portability. But is it perfect? No lens is perfect, and the Z600mm is no exception. The f6.3 aperture may be limiting for some photographers, especially in low light situations. Additionally, the autofocus system, while generally accurate, can occasionally hunt in challenging lighting conditions. The verdict. The NIKKOR Z600mm f6.3 VRS is a remarkable super telephoto lens that pushes the boundaries of portability and image quality. Its exceptional sharpness, impressive VR system, and surprisingly compact size make it a compelling choice for wildlife photographers, birders, and travel enthusiasts alike. While the f6.3 aperture might be a slight drawback for some, the overall performance and image quality make this lens a worthy investment for anyone seeking a high-performance telephoto solution. Remember, this review is based on publicly available information and expert opinions. It's always recommended to try out the lens yourself before making a purchase decision. Consider your specific needs and shooting style to determine if the Z600mm is the right fit for you.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.